Hello friends, welcome to my craft channel. This is JoAnn Barrandey, Crafty Queen Bee. It is a beautiful day in Alvarado, Texas. I got my big hair going on, my big earrings, and I am ready to share with you my Dollar Tree haul. Are you ready? I found some great items that some I'll be using for some of the crafts coming up that I'll be sharing with you. And some I just bought just because they're only $1 to make you holler. Okay friends, the first thing I want to start with is ornaments. Look at this great little ornament that I found. It's a Santa hat. Now I can just visualize this on top of an ornament that I'm fixing to make and share with y'all. That was one. Look at this beautiful snowflake. It is so pretty. They had some in silver and some in gold. I had to have some of those. I'll be using these in an upcoming video where I'll be decorating a wreath. And I bought this silly little truck ornament just because it is so cute. Boy, red truck stuff is just flying off the shelf. This one even has a little window, little windshield there, a little plastic. One of my favorite ornaments are these little snowman hats, and they're in that great buffalo check that's very popular, the red and the black, and then they also have the white and black. And I'll be using a lot of these in my craft projects that are coming up. All right, my whole trip to all the all the Dollar Trees around my area, I was looking for this candle holder that I'm going to be using in several of my projects, and I couldn't find them in the first two Dollar Tree stores that I went to, so that's why I made the rounds and visited 4 in my area. But then I found them at the last one. I'll be using these for upcoming crafts. A neat thing that I found was this spray adhesive. It's a small little container of it. I just love to use this stuff, and I couldn't believe they had it at the Dollar Tree for $1. Okay, and I went ahead and picked up this little package of these styrofoam little balls. These are great. Friends, you stick a little toothpick in them, get your Mod Podge, roll them in there, and then roll them in your glitter or your fake snow, and they turn into little snowballs that you can use on your wreaths or your other Christmas decorations. They're great. And I also picked up some candy canes, and I'll be using some of these in some of the party favors that I make. All right. Wow. One of the neat things that they have this year at some of the Dollar Trees are these little soap dispensers. They have 4 different ones. They have this snowman, and this one is Mary Berry scented. They also have a Christmas tree, a Santa Claus, and a gingerbread man, all for $1. Okay, and then I thought this was a great find. This is a little red truck, and as you can see, it's got a panel in the back, and it's got a little LED light in the center, and it works, and it turns green and red. And friends, I wanted to point out something to you. I never buy anything from the Dollar Tree that has a little LED light on it until I pull the tab when I am in the store and turn it on to make sure it works. Because there's nothing more aggravating than to come home and find that your item does not work. Even though you paid $1 for it, you want to get your dollar's worth. I thought this was a great buy. All right, and I found another one that's metal. It is so cute, and it's got a place where you can put your votive on it, light it up, or your LED light. This was really cute. Okay, I also picked up this cute little tin. I use these a lot. I make cookies and I hand them out to neighbors and friends. And I thought this one was real cute. They have a big selection of them. This one has these little trailers on it, and I just thought it was so cute with the red truck and the snowman on the lid. I also picked up some of these little Christmas trees that I'll be using in some of my crafts. And then they have some of these little, people use these for villages, but I'm using them for snow globe that I bought, that I'm gonna use these for, and I'm gonna decorate. All right. And then I also found this little container that's a snow globe. I think it's gonna be cute when I get through with it. I found this pretty ribbon. They have a big selection of ribbon, and they're really, really pretty this year. All right, and I picked up some more ornaments. These are so pretty. They have a gold snowflake on them. I'll be using these in a wreath. And I also bought some silver ones. Look at this big package that you get for $1. Oh, and I just saw this and I knew I needed it for my gingerbread kitchen decor. I'm gonna make something cute out of it. I don't know what yet, but I think I have something in mind. Okay, next, they have all these cute tumblers. Oh my gosh, I went wild. This one says, have a cup of cheer. They have that, and then this one says, 'tis the season to be jolly, ho, ho, ho. And of course, they have the ones with the little red truck. These are really, really good. And I bought this just because it is so cute. I'm going to do something with it. I'm probably going to put it in one of the bathrooms at my house. And this guy is so popular at the Dollar Tree this year. I'm not too fond of these guys, but I'm going to be honest with you. I had an idea. I thought I'm going to use him for my white elephant gift. And somebody will be so surprised when they get him. Ha ha ha. That's so horrible. And of course, I had to have some of these. These are just so fun. I have tons of this stuff for your photo booth, you know, or just to hang around with. I thought these were fun. With the buffalo check. Oh, one thing that I found that, it's one of these rubber pot holders, but I am going to use it to put my glue gun on. They had these in red and black. That was a bargain, I thought. And I also picked up in the buffalo check this kitchen towel. I thought that was real pretty. I'm not too fond of this microfiber material, but oh well, it's just for decoration. And then they also had the dish towel, the dish, what do you call it, dish mat to match. And I thought that was pretty cool. Another thing I found was this neat crafter square stencil wheel. I've never seen anything like this. It's got 4 different patterns, and you just turn the wheel and it says something different. Today I choose joy. Isn't that cool? That's something that I would say at the end of my video. Oh, here's another little hat ornament in the black and white buffalo check. I'll be using these a lot. Oh, and look at these. Aren't these cute? I'm going to use these as tags on a fake present. I think they'll be adorable. And of course, I picked up this little red truck. I'm going to have to redo some of it, but don't you think it'll look just so cute in a wreath or just anywhere? I can just think of all kinds of things to do with this. That was a bargain. And then look what I found, friends. An elf and a Santa Claus. And y'all know how I love to take things apart. I could just see this taken apart the top part on the top of a wreath and the feet on the bottom, or in your Christmas tree. I thought these were so cute, and they've got all this glitter on them. Makes them shine, makes them look pretty. And then I found stuff like this. These are too cute. Now this could be an addition to your garland that you hang outside, or if you want to do something different with them, look, just turn them around, friends, and paint them the way you want them. If you want them to be a solid color, how easy is that? It's already cut out for you for just $1. Oh my goodness, and I just thought these little picture frames were so cute. It's got that tin background going on, and it's a little wooden frame, and it's got this little bitty paper clip to clip your picture or your little note on. I just thought this was really cute. I'm gonna decorate this, and I'll show you what I'm gonna do with it in one of the videos coming up. All right, here's some more of the ornaments that I said would be so cute on a garland outside your door, or turn it around, friends, and paint it any way you want. These are so pretty though. I think I'm gonna make a big garland for my front door and use some of this on it. And these two are my favorite. I can just see these on a little easel or a little tray standing up, not necessarily hung on the wall, or if you wanna hang them on the wall, you can. But I just thought these were so pretty. The wording is made out of metal, and I just couldn't pass them up. Had to have them. And at the same time, oops, where did that come from? At the same time I found these guys. I have no idea what I'm gonna do with them right now, but for just $1, I'll think of something. Let's see what else we have here. I bought some of this garland. It's kind of thin, but it's got the wire in it, and I'll be using it in my upcoming craft projects. I thought that was a bargain for $1. And they also have some cute little bags. Look at these bags. I just could not pass. This one has a Santa, and this one has the buffalo check border on it. And I just could not pass these up. And I picked them up with the little red truck. Too cute. Let's see, what else do I have to show you? Some more stuff that can go on a garland outside your door. This guy might need to have that nose painted orange, but I just thought these were so pretty, and they're big. Very pretty. I can see them on a garland for outside your door. Okay, another thing that I couldn't pass up that I have no idea, but I think they would look cute in a wreath, were these two signs. Are they not pretty? I thought the Dollar Tree was just really came through for us this season. These are beautiful. And I also found this cute little candy jar. It's got the gingerbread people on it. And what I do with these is, well, if I can get it open. Woo. I guess I should have opened it before we started. What I do with these, and I'm going to be showing you another video, I picked these up from the Dollar Tree as well, and it's shred. I usually put a little shred in it. And then if I'm going to give a family gift, which this will be in another one of my videos, I'm going to share with you how I make dough ornaments. If the family has a mom and a dad and a little boy and a little girl, I'll personalize them, and I'll put them inside here with the shred on, you know, at the bottom, and then I'll throw some candy on there, and it's a family gift. Is that not cool? Well, friends, I think that's about it. Boy, howdy, this was great. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like, and if you haven't subscribed yet and enjoy watching my videos, do so. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you'll be notified when we have new content that we upload. Meanwhile, friend, if you see someone without a smile, give them yours. Thanks. See you next time.